It's May 24th, 2021. My name is Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections. This is the roof evaluation for this single-family manufactured home here in Toledo, Oregon. As with all the videos in this report, we would request that you view this video as supplemental to the written version of the report to which this video has been attached. An Oregon home inspection, however, does not include a roof warranty, meaning we make no claims as to this roof's ability to keep water out of the ceiling voids for the living space below. There are companies, typically insurance companies, which will offer you such insurance policies. Again, Oregon home inspectors are specifically forbidden by the Oregon Construction Contractors Board from making such claims. The first challenge that we'll note is that at a variety of locations around this roof line, we're starting to see signs of oxidation. Rust is noted at nearly every exposure of the roof line. However, it's most concentrated at the terminations, at the edges of the roofing material where water might accumulate. Along the midline of the structure, about a foot to the right of the rightmost skylight, we're making note of seam separation at the ridge. There is about 3/8 of an inch of gap between the right and left-hand side, and then a number of screws holding down, or it should have been otherwise holding down, this section of roofing. This roofing material we would recommend being replaced because it's been sort of damaged or depressed at this location here. The left skylight appears to have its gasket at the left-hand side open and missing. That would create a scenario where moisture can penetrate between the two panes of glass. At the two covered exhaust vents at the right front corner of the structure, we're seeing improper installation along with patching. There's an uphill facing seam noted at both vents, and that would again allow water to, again, we're depending on a caulking or mastic joint rather than a mechanical joint to prevent water from penetrating the roof line. This is not a comprehensive evaluation of the roof for open holes because pinholes can occur on metal roofing material. However, to the right of the rightmost skylight, we're actually making note of two pinholes, one there and one down this same ridge line. Again, this would be to the left-hand side of the right skylight. Again, two pinholes at the ridge of this seam. We would recommend a licensed chimney sweep evaluate the chimney prior to burning anything in that chimney. We believe that chimney is actually not connected to anything currently. But again, before you connect anything to it, we'd recommend a licensed chimney sweep evaluate. We have raised seams at this ridge line and patching at the seam where the rear ridge meets the right-left ridge. There will be separate videos for the additional structures around this property. This has been Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections.